I have some exciting news. Let the demolition begin on the soon-to-be home of Warrior Lodge. Today was all about the photo op, but work starts in a few days, and this is a joint effort with my organization, Yoga Warriors, and Jefferson Regional Jones-Dunklin Cancer Center. Because of rising costs, we moved away from building a brand new facility to repurposing the former School of Nursing. The move allows us to be responsible stewards of generous donations we've received so far. Warrior Lodge is a no-cost temporary housing facility for cancer patients and caregivers undergoing long-term treatment. It is the first of its kind for Southeast Arkansas, and my nonprofit will oversee all the day-to-day operations, including staffing and programs, and we continue to rely on the support of donations to make this all possible. Demolition will last for 3 weeks, and then we start on construction. I'll keep you posted on the progress.
Are you sore?
From swinging that sledgehammer?
Swinging the sledgehammer.
We only showed it one time there. I hit that wall several times.
And you showed me a different picture earlier. You were wearing your beautiful dress with the sledgehammer.
I'll show that one another time.
That was a good one.
Like I said, it was a photo op. We had fun with that, but the real work is going to start with construction workers who actually know how to do it, right? Not me in a sledgehammer.
You did a great job. And congratulations. This is huge.
Thank you.
The dream moves forward.
It just keeps moving forward.
Yep.
I can't stop this train even if I tried.
Nope, and you don't want to.
That's true.
And you shouldn't.
That is true.
Good job.